Ako si Empress Key. Empress Key. Para akong Reyna. Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your Nami Lawas TV. Ayan guys, for today we're gonna make a hand bouquet made of eucalyptus leaves. This eucalyptus leaves, it has a scent, and we're gonna make a fuchsia roses together with eucalyptus leaves. Ayan. So guys, without any further ado, let's go. Nilagyan natin siya ng triticum barley. Ayan. May barley siyang nalalaman. Charot. Ayan guys. So, this is the flower. And we will gonna cover it with... We will select the cover later. What is the nice color for this? Ayan. Charan! Let's continue guys. It's ready. Char, hindi pa pala siya ready. Kasi lalagyan pa natin siya ng gift cover. Char, gift cover. Lalagyan pa natin siya ng cover backside. Ayan. So, let's go guys. So ito na siya guys, binabalot na natin yung ating hand bouquet. Ayan. So may nilagay pa tayo dito later na sticker printing dito sa harap. So it's only simple guys, white and fuchsia color. Ayan. So I hope you like this creation, charm creation. Ayan guys, so let's continue guys. Doing this sticker for the bouquet. Yeah. So very what you call this? Mabusisi. What is mabusisi in English? I don't know. So we're gonna put it here after on this side. Mabusisi, say hi. Hi. Yeah, that's my friend doing this sticker printing. Hello guys! Ready na yung ating sticker printing na ilalagay. Ayan. Ako si Empress Key. Empress Key. Para akong Reyna. Charot na. May corona. Sige, go! Lagay na natin siya guys. Here. Okay, let's go! Hope you like my creation today guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell for the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Peace.